How cluttered is your living space right now? If you're ready to tackle that mess, join me today as we declutter together and transform our homes. Hi, and welcome back to Modern Minimalism, where we help you create a peaceful and efficient lifestyle through the art of minimalism. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about reclaiming your space and your peace of mind. By removing unnecessary items, you can reduce stress and increase your productivity. Today, I'll guide you through some essential areas to declutter right now for a more organized and serene living environment. When you clear out the clutter, you make room for clarity and calm. So let's dive into the benefits and start our decluttering journey together. Clutter can have a significant impact on your daily life. It increases stress, makes it harder to find things, and can even affect your mental health by overwhelming your senses and reducing your ability to focus. Think about the last time you couldn't find your keys in a pile of stuff or felt anxious just looking at the mess. Clutter doesn't just occupy physical space, it takes up mental space too. For many people, the challenge is knowing where to start and what to get rid of. It can feel overwhelming, but with a systematic approach, you can make significant progress quickly. Let's talk about practical tips to identify items that need decluttering. Here are a few key areas to focus on. Before we dive into that, kindly hit that subscribe button for more minimalist content like this. 1. Unused clothes. If you haven't worn something in the past year, it's time to let it go. Be honest with yourself about what you actually wear and what just takes up space. 2. Old paperwork, bills, receipts, and documents that you no longer need can create a lot of unnecessary clutter. Shred what you don't need and digitize important documents to save space. 3. Kitchen gadgets and utensils. We often accumulate kitchen tools that we rarely use. Keep only what you use regularly and donate or recycle the rest. 4. Books and magazines. Consider donating books you've already read or know you won't read. Magazines can pile up quickly, so recycle old issues. 5. Expired cosmetics and toiletries. Check the expiration dates on your beauty products and toiletries. Discard anything that's expired or that you no longer use. Now, let's address some of the most common items people struggle to declutter. 1. Sentimental objects. These can be the hardest to let go of. Remember, it's okay to keep a few meaningful items, but you don't need to hold on to everything. Consider taking photos of items to preserve the memory without the physical clutter. Oh, BTW, I have a whole video that talks about how to do this step by step. Stick to the end to watch it. 2. Gifts. We often feel guilty about getting rid of gifts, even if we don't use them. It's important to remember that the purpose of a gift is to bring joy. If it's not doing that, it's okay to let it go. If you have made it this far, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more minimalist content. Decluttering is a powerful way to create a more organized and peaceful living environment. By focusing on areas like unused clothes, old paperwork, and sentimental items, you can make significant strides in reducing clutter. Remember, the goal is to create a space that supports your well-being and productivity. I challenge you to declutter one specific area of your home before our next video. Share your progress in the comments below and let us know how it went. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on minimalist living. Let's transform our spaces together.